Okay, Google Form. I'll just share this link to you. Okay, then just click on Google, go to Google Form, Google Chrome. Okay, now if you are not signed in, then sign in over here. I didn't sign in, so I'll just sign in. Okay, now untitled form over here, you just write down class test. देन ईमेल आईडी चाहिए तो लो, नहीं तो चेंज सेटिंग्स में जाओ, go to the change settings and just disable this collect email address. Okay, and then just click on save. After that, untitled question over here, write a question. What is okay, now enter your name, or you can write name of the student, name of the student. Okay, and it should be a short type answer. Okay, then it should be required, make it required. Then just click over here. Okay, so this is one question you have added. Then add another question over here, just tap on the plus, your question will be added. Now write down what is cell, cell in body cells. Okay, and just make it short answer or long answer, whatever you have. For example, if you are having multiple choice, so just click on multiple choice. Over here, add option. What is cell? Cell is an intersection. Now I will write down my computer one. Okay, intersection of the rows and columns. Okay, then I'll add another option. Just click on add option. Okay, then I will just write down the dummy. Okay, for your understanding only. Then likewise. Okay, then none of this, whatever it may be. Now what will be the answer? I know the answer, so I'll just click on, just make it required. Okay, so now my question has been created. Now you need to assign an answer for this. So what you have to do, just go to the three dots, just go to settings. Okay, and then quizzes, and check over here, make this a quiz. Okay, or immediately after each submission, if you want to show the answers or correct answers or marks, so you just make it immediately after each submission. Otherwise, just let it be like later after manual review. Okay, and just click on save. Okay, now this option will be enabled over here. This right one, pad and right one is there. So just click on over here and write down the points for this question. These are 2, and what is the correct answer? This one. So select this and just click on done. Okay, now this one question has been created. If you want to add another question, just click on this circle and plus add question. Okay, then again you just write down a question. What is CPU? Okay, then add answers. I'll just write down the random answers. Okay, central processing unit. Okay, then one more option, then one more option. Okay, then again select the right one. So just click on this pad one, then give the marks or points, and just select the correct answer one, and just click on done. Likewise, you can create all the questions. Okay, whatever questions you need to create, you can just create it. Okay, here also I will just make it required. Here also I will just make it required. All questions should be created as and required. Abhi after uh, entering all the questions, what you have to do, you have to just click on this send option. Okay, just click on send options and just go to the middle option, that is the link one, and just click on shorten URL and then copy this. Okay, click on copy and you can just share it to the WhatsApp. Okay, so in this way you can create this. Okay.